Gold, daily forecast, July 23rd, fxempire.com. Gold markets had a slightly bullish session during the Friday trading day. However, we are still in a very tight range, and quite frankly, this is a very difficult market to trade at this moment in time. Summer ranges are taking hold of a lot of markets, and confusion in Europe and the strengthening dollar certainly has pushed and pulled the gold market down and up quite a bit. You can see that we are starting to try to tighten up. But the reality is the most important and most obvious line is this downtrending line that we've seen. And in fact, on the longer term charts, it almost looks a bit more like a descending triangle. Having said that, we think there is a ton of support, I should say, at 1500 to 1550. So it's going to be very difficult to break all of that down. If we can break down this downtrending line and get to about 1640 or so, 1650, that would be an extremely bullish sign, and we would be willing to buy gold at that point. However, right now it looks like we're chopping back and forth at about $10 or so a clip. We could be in a summer range. It could just simply be a lack of enthusiasm or just bodies right now in the gold pits. So because of this, we're monitoring this for the 1500 and the 1640, 1650 level to get broken. But in the meantime, there isn't a whole lot to do because we aren't at one of the extremes of the consolidation.